Hi, it's the Yorkshire Maths Tutor here, and if you're doing higher maths, it's time to lock in and follow the Yorkshire Maths Tutor. Let's simplify some surds. So, root 300, we need the biggest square number that goes into 300. That is 100. Then we need what times 100 makes 300. That's 3, so we've got root 100, root 3. Square of 100, that's 10. So I've got 10 root 3. Full marks. Next we've got the square root of 72. The biggest square number that goes into 72 is 36. So I've got root 36, and 36 times 2 is 72. Square root of 36, that's 6. So I've got 6 root 2. Fantastic. Next one then, I've got 3 root 18. Well, the biggest square number that goes into root 18 is 9. So I've got 3 times root 9 times root 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. So I've got 3 times root 2. 3 times 3, that's 9. So I've got 9 root 2. And the final one, I've got root 50 plus root 8. So I've got root 50. Well, 25 times 2 is 50, and 25 is a square number. So I've got root 25 times root 2. Added on to root 8, well, root 4 times root 2 is 8. So root 4 times root 2. Square root of 25, that's 5. So I've got 5 root 2. Square root of 4, that's 2. So I've got 2 root 2. And 5 add 2, that's 7. So I've got 7 root 2. Full marks. Don't forget to follow the Yorkshire Maths Tutor and lock it in for your GCSEs.